Hello and welcome to Nagpur News. It's time for English current affairs with me, Rinku. Let's take a quick view around the nation and globe. A shocking incident has come to light from the Nandanman police station area where a man allegedly attacked his wife with the intention to kill her. The accused, Samshir Sheikh, assaulted his wife, Reshma Sheikh, with a heavy iron weapon used to cut coconuts following a dispute over money. The woman suffered serious injuries and is currently undergoing treatment at Vanjari Hospital in Bhante Plot. Nandanman police have registered a case against the accused and arrested him. Further investigation is underway. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis' visit to Pandharpur witnessed a unique from protest. Locals used to spiritual verses of Sant Namdev Maharaj abhangas on posters to symbolically welcome the CM while voicing their opposition to the Pandharpur corridor project. Slogans like Vatan Amchi Mirashi Pandhari highlighted the emotional plea of the locals to preserve Pandharpur's cultural and spiritual heritage. The Tirthakshetra Bachao Samiti has demanded that the government respect the sentiments of the devotees and safeguard the city's sacred identity. On July 22, 2025, a major incident was reported at Delhi airport when the APU auxiliary power unit in the tail section of Air India flight AI315 Airbus A321 arriving from Hong Kong caught fire. The fire broke out just as the passengers were deboarding. Air India confirmed that all passengers and crew are safe and no injuries were reported. The aircraft has been grounded for maintenance checks and the DGCA has launched an investigation. Preliminary reports suggests that a technical fault may have triggered the fire. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to embark on his fourth visit to the United Kingdom today. During this visit, the long-awaited Free Trade Agreement (FTA) between India and the UK is expected to be finalized. Alongside trade discussions, PM Modi will also address key regional and global issues, including the presence of Khalistani extremists in the UK. The high-profile visit is being seen as a crucial step toward strengthening India-UK strategic and economic ties. The first look of Bobby Deol's much-awaited film Bandha has been released, directed by acclaimed filmmaker Anurag Kashyap. The movie is set to premiere at the 50th Toronto International Film Festival (TIFF 2025). The maker shared the official poster, creating a buzz amongst fans and cinephiles with Bobby Deol in a never-seen-before avatar. Bandha promises to be one of the most talked about Indian entries at the prestigious festival. Well, that's all from this bulletin. For more updates and happening around, stay tuned with Nagpur News. Till then, Rinku says goodbye. Please take very good care of yourself.